Acer revises specs of its affordable 4K Google TV box that comes with 6 ports. The Acer 4K UHD Google TV box recently debuted as a pretty capable Android television box with a versatile set of ports. However, with the revised specs from the company, it seems that the smart TV is a bit less impressive than initially thought. Acer introduced the 4K UHD Google TV box as an affordable Android television box with a versatile array of ports. The initial unveiling also suggested that it comes with capable hardware inside, claiming that the device packs the Amlogic S905X5, which is paired with 3 GB of RAM. However, Acer has now revised the specs of the Google TV box, and it seems that the smart TV box is a little less impressive than initially thought. The company says that the device doesn't feature 3 GB of RAM. Instead, the SoC is paired with 2 GB of memory, which is a bummer as the former would have led to a much smoother operation. Speaking of the SoC, Acer says that the initial press release mistakenly mentioned that the 4K Google TV box is powered by the Amlogic S905X5. The company says that the correct chipset inside the smart television box is the Amlogic S905X5M, a slightly less powerful option than the former. In addition to being a little less capable, the Amlogic S905X5M inside the Acer 4K Google TV box is said not to offer a 4-TOPS NPU. The good part is that the port selection remains the same, and the smart TV box will still come with 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded through the microSD card slot. 128 GB Samsung Evio Select Curel, $12.99 on Amazon. While these spec corrections make the device a little less impressive than it was initially believed to be, the specs are still good for an Android TV box that costs around $80. Check out the picture below to learn more about the Acer 4K UHD Google TV box.